Countable and uncountable nouns. Noun shang shang, mishing, ransa, munming, thilming, thiltheng poimole, kanril rua soina, kang ang zong zong teka, countable emo, uncountable emo, akoy emo zok zoka hian an vek ane, tuna ilaw zirtiangang. If a noun can be counted, it is countable or count nouns. Noun pakhat pahnih dia kan chiar thei te hi countable emo count nouns ti an ni. And tirnan a bottle, one bottle, two bottles, four bottles. Heng bottle te hi pakhat pahnih dia kan chiar thei awangin countable noun an ni. Some nouns cannot be counted. They are uncountable or non-count nouns. Noun chen khat chu pakhat pahnih tin kan chiar thei lawa chu wangin uncountable emo non-count nouns ti an ni. And tirnan water, air, sugar. Tui pakhat pahnih tin kan soi ngai lawa borak pakhat pahnih emo tini pakhat pahnih emo in kan chiar ngai law omzia a omlo ni chu wangin heng water, air, sugar te hi uncountable noun an ni. Uncountable noun chen khate chu olsam taka kan hriat theinan tricks a ve a. Liquids thil tui ril chi, water, juice, milk, beer. Powders aphut chi, sugar, flour, salt, rice. Materials manrua, wood, plastic, silver, paper. Food, fruit, meat, cheese, bread. Abstract ideas, time, information, love, beauty. Liquid, powder, material, food, abstract ideas. Heng zong zong te hi uncountable noun an ni vek thin ani. Uncountable noun te hi pakhat pahnih tin kan soi thei lawa ama ero chu atte in kan te thei ani. Atlang puin liquids thil tuil ril lam chi te hi a glass of, a cup of, a bottle of tin kan soi trin. And tirnan I have a glass of water. I have glasses of water. I have a cup of coffee. I have a bottle of water. Powders aphut chi te hi atamlam soinan kilogram, kg kan hmang thin. And tirnan I have 1 kilogram of sugar. I have 2 kilograms of flour. Food le material te hi atamlam soinan piece kan hmang tlang poi thin. I eat a piece of fruit. I eat a piece of meat. I eat a piece of cheese. I eat a piece of bread. I have pieces of wood. I have pieces of silver. I have pieces of paper. Countable versus uncountable nouns. Countable le uncountable noun danglam na te lau enila. Nouns we can count. Nouns we cannot count. Countable noun te hi pakhat pahnih tin kan chiar theya. Uncountable noun te hi pakhat pahnih tin kan chiar ve thei lo. It has singular and plural form. It has singular form only. Countable noun te chuan singular le plural form an nei a. 1 apple, 2 apples. Uncountable noun te chuan singular form chau an nei ani. Rain, rains kan ti thei lo. Atopa s plural form kan bil ve thei lo. It can use a, an, or number. It cannot use a, an, or number. Countable noun te chuan a, an le number noun ma a anda theya. A pan, 10 books. Uncountable noun te chuan noun ma a, an le number anda ve thei lo. A sugar kan ti thei lo a. and sugar kan ti thei hek lo. It answers how many. It answers how much. Countable noun that's one how many zona an chang theya. Uncountable noun that's one how much zona an chang theya ni. It uses a singular or plural verb. Always use a singular verb. Countable noun that's one singular le plural verb an mang theya. The apple is fresh. The apples are fresh. Uncountable noun that's one singular verb is so hi an mang theya. Sugar is sweet. The weather is great. Noun chen khatetsu uncountable le countable an ni thei ve a. And tirnan chicken. I had chicken for dinner. Chicken hi food a tur soina ani tahian. So wangin uncountable noun ani. They keep chickens in the backyard. Heta chicken hi animal soina ani a countable noun ani. Fruit. The fruit was too sour to eat. Heta fruit hi food a tur soina ani a uncountable noun ani. She sells fruits at a market stall. Heta hian thei hi countable noun anga man ani. Heng kan soiba ka hianin noun shang countable le uncountable a man kop thei tamtak a awm bawk ani. Ole khati zong kha tuna tan chuan ni phot se grammar zir nuam vek ole